Chosen one, the long, grueling season of silence you have been walking through is finally coming to an end. I know there were nights you sat in the quiet, questioning your purpose, wondering if the universe had simply forgotten your address while everyone else seemed to be moving forward. But you have not stumbled upon this message by accident. A higher intelligence has specifically routed these words to you to confirm what your intuition already knows. The silence was never a punishment. It was a sacred quarantine. It was the necessary insulation required to protect you, while heaven prepared a sevenfold compensation for everything you have lost. Every delayed promise, every stolen opportunity, and every tear shed in private is being accounted for. The waiting room doors are officially unlocked, but this massive shift requires a response. You cannot walk into a season of sevenfold restoration with the posture of someone who is still hiding in the wilderness. The silence has ended, and it is time for you to act. Stay with me until the very end, because I am going to show you exactly how to step into the authority that this new season demands. There is a reason why you are hearing this right now, at this exact minute of your life. Stay with me, because as we move through this message, I am going to reveal the hidden mechanics behind the sevenfold restoration that is currently being assigned to your name. You will receive the specific mental framework needed to stop the cycle of waiting, and most importantly, we will close this journey with a sacred activation ceremony that signals the official end of your wilderness. This is not just information, it is the blueprint for your next era. If you leave now, you are choosing to stay in the quiet, but if you stay, you are choosing to walk into the light. Imagine for a moment that you are sitting alone in the dark. You are watching the headlights of cars pass by your window, a world moving on while you feel frozen in time. The glass is cold against your forehead. You scroll through your phone and realize there is no one you can actually call who would understand the depth of what you are feeling. Notice how your chest feels tighter than it should. Notice how your mind has been louder than usual, repeating the same questions with no answers. Notice how your spirit feels crowded even when you are physically alone. You feel tired, but it is not a tiredness that sleep can fix. It is a heaviness in your bones, a fatigue born from waiting for a door to open that has remained stubbornly shut. If you have felt that heavy silence in your bones, I want you to take a real breath right now. This is where your understanding must shift. You thought the silence was a sign of rejection. You thought the stillness meant God or the universe had turned away. But let me tell you what was really happening. That silence was not isolation, it was insulation. Just as a seed must be buried in the absolute quiet of the earth before it can find the strength to crack its shell and reach for the sun, you were being kept in a state of hiddenness. You were being protected from premature exposure. If you had been revealed too early, the weight of your calling would have crushed you. The silence was the necessary environment for your roots to go deep enough to support the massive growth that is now inevitable. I want you to perform a mental shift right now. In your mind, imagine your life as that seed under the earth. Feel the darkness around you, not as a prison, but as nutrient-dense soil. See the quiet not as a lack of activity, but as the intense focus of creation. You are not buried, you are planted, and the season of being underground is over. You have been brought to this moment because the first cracks are appearing in the surface. But as the silence ends, a new mystery begins. You have understood why you were kept in the dark, but do you know the scale of what is coming to replace it? Heaven has authorized a sevenfold compensation, a restoration so large it defies human logic. But there is a specific mechanism to this return that most people miss entirely. There is a promise written in ancient texts, in the book of Joel, that says, "I will restore to you the years the swarming locust has eaten." Most people hear the word restore and they think of returning to zero. They think it means getting back exactly what was taken, no more and no less. But in the original Hebrew text, the word used for restoration is shalam. Listen to that word, shalam. It does not just mean to restore, It means to make complete. It means to be paid back with massive interest. Imagine a court of law finding a thief guilty. The judge does not just ask the thief to return the $100 they stole. The judge orders them to pay you $500 for your trouble, your pain, and your lost time. Heaven is not just bringing you back to normal. The universe is overpaying you for the suffering you endured in the silence. That is the sevenfold compensation. This divine overpayment is about to reorganize 3 specific areas of your life, and I want you to mentally prepare to receive them. First, your relationships. The people who misunderstood your silence, the ones who walked away when your season got hard, they had to exit. Do not mourn them. The floor had to be cleared so that divine connections, people who speak your true frequency, could enter your life. Second, your provision. The financial blockages and resource droughts you experienced were not curses. They were a complete reset of your foundation so that the upcoming overflow does not destroy you. And third, your purpose. The dense fog of confusion is lifting, and a sudden sharp clarity about your true calling is taking its place. What felt like losing everything was actually clearing the floor for everything. You went in broken, and you are coming out built. You went in reactive, and you are coming out responsive. You went in exhausted, and you are coming out empowered. You went in hidden, and you are coming out undeniable. Look at the ancient story of Joseph. He was thrown into a pit by his own blood. He was forgotten in a prison cell for years. He experienced the ultimate silence. But when his Shalam arrived, when his compensation was finally released, he went from the prison to the palace in a single day. And the authority he was given was thousands of times greater than the comfort he had lost. If you are still listening to my voice right now, it is because your spirit recognizes the pattern of Joseph in your own life. You know the pit, you know the prison of waiting, and your deep intuition is confirming that the palace is next. But I have to warn you, there is a massive obstacle standing between you and the full manifestation of this sevenfold return. And it is not a spiritual enemy, it is not your past, and it is not bad luck. What happens when the universe finally hands you the keys to the kingdom, but your nervous system is still programmed to survive in the wilderness? If you do not recognize this hidden barrier inside of you right now, you will unintentionally reject the very breakthrough you have spent years crying out for. This is what happens when a nervous system trained in the wilderness suddenly steps into the palace. You experience success terror. I want you to notice how your body reacts when something genuinely good finally happens. Notice the sudden racing of your heart when someone praises your potential. Notice the strange urge to shrink back, to stay quiet, when an opportunity asks you to step into the spotlight. Notice the bizarre hesitation that paralyzes you just as the door you prayed for begins to swing open. You might think this means you are an imposter, or that you are not ready. But I want to reframe this for you immediately. That fear is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign of profound wisdom. It shows that you realize the immense weight of your calling. You spent so long being attacked and misunderstood in the silence that your nervous system registered hiding as safety. To be seen meant to be hunted. Therefore, stepping into your sevenfold compensation feels, to your body, like stepping into danger. You survived the dark. You adapted to the dark. You mastered the dark. But now the light is here, and a part of you feels guilty for leaving the shadows behind. You feel this heavy, unspoken guilt for outgrowing the people who cannot come with you into this new season. You feel guilty for setting boundaries that protect your energy. You feel guilty for no longer being available to those who only loved the broken version of you. We must break this cycle right now with what I call the permission protocol. I want you to mentally detach from the opinions of everyone you left in the waiting room, and I want you to grant yourself the highest level of spiritual clearance. Hear these words and let them settle into your spirit. You are allowed to outgrow the waiting room. You are allowed to outgrow the people who refuse to heal. You are allowed to step into the blazing light of your calling without apologizing to anyone. You are allowed to receive your sevenfold compensation. If your spirit is confirming this right now, if you are finally ready to drop the heavy armor you wore in the wilderness, I want you to type "I release" in the comments. Type "I release" to officially let go of the fear of being seen. But I have to stop and ask you something very direct. You have the spiritual permission. You understand. The season has changed. But what physical tool are you planning to use to actually rewire the trauma out of your mind? You cannot step into a new dimension of authority using a brain that is still chemically locked in survival mode. There is a physiological reason why your mind still fights your divine destiny, a specific frequency in your brain that was shut down years ago. Let me show you exactly what is happening inside your physical brain right now that is keeping you stuck, and how to permanently flip the switch back on. Scientists have a name for what happened to you. They call it the decline effect. When you were a child, your brain naturally operated on a super frequency called the gamma wave. This is the frequency of pure intuition, of flow state, of instant manifestations. It is quite literally a God-given ability. And because you are a chosen one, your gamma was incredibly high. You felt things deeper. You knew things without being told. But as you grew, the modern world, the systems, the stress, and the noise began to suppress it. By the time you were 7 years old, this switch was forcefully turned down. This is the ultimate revelation you need to hear today. The silence and the stuckness you felt in the wilderness was not just a spiritual testing. Your physical antenna to the divine was jammed. Your brain was locked in a frequency of survival, which is why your prayers sometimes felt like they were hitting a brass ceiling. Taking action in this new season does not mean working yourself to exhaustion. True action means restoring your original frequency. If you are watching this, you are not a normal person. Your gamma used to be stronger, and exactly because it was so strong, when it was shut down, you felt the loss, the heaviness, and the isolation more than anyone else around you. But you can get it back. This is the specific tool I promised to show you. Let me tell you about a 38-year-old woman who had tried everything. She had done the meditation, the yoga, the spiritual retreats, but that feeling of true connection never came. She found a specific tool, not because she fully believed the science at first, but because she had nothing left to lose. 2 weeks later, she described her life using only one word: synchronicities. She said it felt like the universe suddenly started speaking to her in a language she could finally understand. She did not use magic. She used a 7-minute scientific protocol developed by neuroscientist Dr. Robert Lake. It is called the Genius Song. It is not just music. It uses advanced brain entrainment technology, backed by research from MIT and Stanford, to directly reactivate your dormant gamma waves. I know exactly what you are thinking right now. You have tried meditation, you have tried healing sounds, you have tried everything people call a secret, and nothing changed. I understand. But let me tell you why those did not work. Meditation requires months, sometimes years, to manually retrain your brain into a gamma state. Most people give up before it happens. Brain entrainment does it directly, in just 7 minutes a day, simply by putting on your headphones and closing your eyes. Normally, to achieve this level of brainwave recalibration, you would have to pay over $300 for a single biofeedback therapy session or spend $7,000 on clinical equipment for your home. Dr. Lake compressed that exact technology into a digital track that originally costs $49. But because he wants to make this accessible to the people who truly need it, to step into their calling, he lowered it to $39 exclusively for the people watching this message. You will not find this price on Amazon or anywhere else. With that $39, you receive the core 7-minute technology, plus 4 powerful bonuses including the Genius Child Track and guided visualizations to align your money, love, and health. And it is entirely risk-free. It comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. If you listen to it and do not feel the shift, you get every penny back. But I must give you a very serious warning. Because this technology is so effective, there are counterfeit versions appearing all over the internet. You will find fake audio tracks claiming to be the genius song on YouTube or Spotify, but they do not contain the actual brain entrainment frequencies. They are just empty noise. The only way to secure the authentic technology, the 4 bonuses, and the guarantee is to use the specific link I have placed in the description and the pinned comment below this video. Every day you wait is a day your gamma frequency continues to sleep. It is a day you continue to operate below your true potential. If your spirit resonates with this recalibration, investigate the link below. Follow it only if you feel led. Getting your physical mind aligned is the crucial first step. But now, we must complete the spiritual seal. Now that you hold the key to your frequency, we must seal the heavenly decree over your life. Stay with me, because what we are about to do next is not a regular prayer. It is a sacred activation that will officially end your silent years. To truly act in this new season, your first step is not external building, it is internal guarding. You must protect this new frequency. When opportunities for this sevenfold compensation begin to arrive, and they will, you must apply what I call the resonance check. You do not say yes to everything anymore. You only say yes to what matches your restored gamma frequency. But before we enter this final sacred activation to seal your new reality, I want you to gently press the like button. Do not do it for me. Do it so this exact message of restoration can reach another chosen one who is drowning in the silence tonight. Your simple action could be the lifeline they are praying for. Now, I want you to perform a powerful mental action. In your mind, I want you to stand up. Look back at the version of yourself sitting in the waiting room, the version that endured the silent years. Thank that version of you for surviving. Thank them for holding on when it was entirely dark. But now, in your mind, you must turn your back and walk out of that room. You are stepping into the light. This is your activation. We thank the infinite source for the sacred insulation of the wilderness. We acknowledge that not a single tear you shed in the dark went unnoticed. The universe recorded every moment of your quiet faithfulness, and now the scales are tipping. It is time to let go. Release the fear of being seen. Release the identity of the one who is always waiting. Release the heavy armor that no longer fits your expanding spirit. We activate the spirit of the cycle breaker within you. We activate the builder. We call forth the divine shield to guard your new frequency against the distractions and the noise of the old world. Claim this truth over your life right now. I am the cycle breaker. I am stepping out of the wilderness. I am ready to receive the sevenfold compensation. Do not say amen yet. I want you to sit in this frequency for 60 seconds. Let the weight of this heavenly decree settle completely into your bones. You are not the person you were when you first pressed play on this message. If your spirit is fully aligned with this massive shift, type "I am ready" with the force of a lion in the comments below. Let the universe see your signature on this new chapter. Subscribe to this channel to stay aligned with thousands of awakened souls who are walking out of the wilderness together. We are building a network of light, and you belong here. And remember, if you feel deeply called to activate your gamma frequency today, the Genius Song link is waiting for you in the description and pinned comment. Follow it only if your intuition says yes. Before you go, if someone came to mind while you were listening, someone who has been unusually quiet lately, someone who looks perfectly fine on the outside, but you know they are struggling in their own waiting room, share this with them. Send it in a text. Send it in an email. Your share could be the exact answer to their silent prayer. You are not just leaving a video, you are leaving the wilderness. Welcome to your compensation.